In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to solve the value of y in this exponential equation. Okay, so first of all, make sure that all the base number are prime numbers. Okay, so I say 2 raised to power 1 minus y times 2 raised to power y minus 1. Everything is equal to 2 raised to power y plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 brackets 2 minus 3y. Okay, if you notice, all the bases are what? Are prime numbers. It is not from our product rule that whenever you say a raised to power m times a raised to power n is the same thing as writing a m plus n. Okay, so having understood that, it is not that since the base are what are equal, so you can say 2 raised to power 1 minus y. These are times here become plus, so you say plus this is y minus 1 everything over what 2 raised to power y plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 brackets 2 minus 3y. Okay, so let me clean this side here because no space. All right, for our quotient rule, which is notes that whenever you have our a raised to power m over a raised to power n, is same to writing a m minus n. Okay, so I haven't understood that this can be written as 2 raised to power 1 minus y plus y minus 1. This divide here become what? Minus in the what? In our exponential equation. Okay, so this can be written minus brackets because there are two terms here. There are y plus 2, everything is equal to 2 raised to power 3 brackets 2 minus 3y. Okay, if the base are equal, that means the exponents are equal. So I can easily divide it. I can cancel these two numbers. So I can say this can be written as 1 minus y plus y minus 1 minus bracket y plus 2 is equal to 3 bracket 2 minus 3y. So let's collect left hand. If I have to collect left hand, but before we collect left hand, let's open the brackets. So this can be written as 1 minus y plus y minus 1. This minus let's attach to this bracket, saving means minus 1. So minus 1 times y is what? Minus y. Minus 1 times 2 is what? Minus 2. Everything is equal to 3 times 2 is what? Is 6. And 3 times minus 3y is what? Is minus 9y. All right, so it is now advisable to collect left hand. So minus y plus y is what? Is 0. So you are left with only y. So this you are left with a minus y. So you say minus y. 1 plus minus 1 is 0. So we are only left with a minus 2. So we say minus 2. Everything is equal to 6 minus 9y. Okay, so let me clean this side here. Okay, the next step is to also collect left hand. So let the variable, which is the letter, let them be here, let the number move to the other side. So I'll say this can be written as minus y plus 9y is equal to 6 plus 2. Okay, so minus y plus 9y is what? 8y. 6 plus 2 is what? Is 8. Okay, so you have to get the value of y, you have to make y the subject of formula. So in that instance, we say what? Divide both sides by 8. And if you are dividing both sides by 8, we're going to have 8y divided by 8. 8 divided by what? 8. So this cancels this. 8 divided by 8, you have 1. So it's our y is equal to 1. So 1 is the answer to this simple exponential equation.